साईराम बेटा।
मैम पेरेंट्स टीचर मीटिंग है।
हाँ हम लेंगे बेटा, we will conduct and we'll let you know. Okay? I'll arrange one meeting and then I have to ask the other subject teachers also. And when that is scheduled, we will let you know. Okay? The timing and all, the mail will be sent to your parents. Children are not allowed in that. It's a parents and teachers interaction. Okay, Sairam again. I'm telling Sairam only to the ones who are doing the typing. Sairam Divya, Sairam Archit, Sairam Cherry, Sairam Pravanchika. I hope all of you are taking care during this COVID times. Sairam Vedansh. We'll wait for another 2 minutes before everyone joins us. Anything you guys, children want to share with me? Sairam Mahesh. You can write in the chat box if you have anything to share.
Ma'am, now take.
What better? Sairam Divya.
Ma'am, summary is.
बेटा अपना वॉल्यूम ऊपर करना. Yes, Vedansh, you can talk.
मैम कॉपीज कब चेक होंगी?
Beta, we will let you know. I'm telling you, you have to do your own checking now.
मैम summary लिखना जरूरी है.
नहीं बेटा, if you don't want to, that was just for recap. क्योंकि कई महीनों बाद उसको पढ़ो तो आपको पता चल जाता है कि क्या हुआ है उस चैप्टर में, फिर आपको याद आ जाता है. It is not necessary to write the summary. But keep watching. These videos are there on the YouTube. You can Sairam Tanmay, Sairam Mehek, Sairam Pulkit, and what you have the YouTube links also now. We keep posting it on YouTube. Any chapter you can open and see. तो रिवीजन के लिए आप खुद उसी दिन के वीडियो पे जाओ, आपको समझ आ जाएगा मैडम ने कौन सा चैप्टर कराया या व्हाट ग्रामर पार्ट डिड आई डू. So you can go check it yourself and revise. Okay? Copy correction is not the criteria. Main चीज नहीं है, आप सही लिखो, अपने आप चेक करो. Now you're also the teacher, ना? You're writing yourself. You can check the answers yourself. You have the textbook, spellings देखो. And if there is a mistake in the spelling, you rectify the spelling. Okay? Sairam Jia. Yes, Divya, you wanted to ask something? Divya, you had one question?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Mahesh, what were we doing? Only Mahesh to unmute himself. Virat, Sairam.
मैम वन क्वेश्चन.
Yes, beta. Ask.
मैम जो आपने बोला अभी कि समरी नाम को सारे चैप्टर की लिखनी है क्या?
नहीं बेटा, जरूरी नहीं है. आप समझ लोगे समरी, फिर रीडिंग करते हैं.
ओके मैम.
And okay, Mahesh, please unmute yourself. Tanmay, what we will do today? Okay, that was what I was asking Mahesh. Mahesh, what were we doing? That old clock shop was over.
Yes, ma'am. We did the question answers last time, and today we have to do the 5th chapter Tansen.
Okay. Vedansh is telling that we have to do the question answers. Vedansh, we have already discussed all the question answers. Okay? Fine. No, ma'am. Divya is saying again, no, ma'am. Are you sure we've discussed the question answers, Mahesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Rudra, please don't on your mic. Vedansh, were you present in the previous class?
Okay, ma'am. I'm on YouTube.
Pravanshika, have we discussed the question answers of Old Clock Shop? Yeah, okay, Manav is also saying yes, we have discussed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So I'll start, we'll do the reading of the next chapter, for which I would just off the video so that we save a little bit of data. Okay. Devya, can you start reading the chapter?
Yes, ma'am. You Tenson was the only child of
Dancing. It is dancing. Okay. Dancing.
Tansin was the only child
Beta,
only.
increase the volume. Increase your volume.
Okay, ma'am. Tarzan was the only child of his parents.
Yes, continue, Devya.
Yes, ma'am. Never.
Is my screen visible, Devya?
Yes, ma'am.
Next line. Naughty,
Naughty but
talented,
he invented the call of birds and animals perfectly. Once he tried to
tried, hmm,
frighten, frighten
frighten,
group of travelers by
travelers,
ruling like a tiger.
travelers by roaring.
Like a tiger. You may have heard the name of Tarzan. Tarzan, the greatest musician your country has produced. A single called Has Muskand Muskandan.
A singer called
A single called
Mutkannan
Muskandan
Mishra.
Misra and his wife live in Mahihat near Gwalior. Gwalior. Tarzan was their only child. It is said that he was a naughty child. Often he ran away to play in the forest and soon learned to im- imitate
Soon learned
perfectly the call of
to imitate perfectly.
bird and animals. A famous singer named Swa-
Named Swami Haridas.
Swami Manadas was once traveling through the forest with his
Through the forest,
through the forest with his dis, dis, dis,
disciples,
dis, dis, discipline
disciples,
disci-
disciples.
disciples tied. The group settled down to rest in a sad grove. grove. Tarzan said them. Tri- Strangles
Strangers in the
in the
forest.
forest. He said to himself, "It will be fun to frighten them." Frighten them.
Frighten them.
frightened them. He sat behind the tree and rolled like a tiger. The little group of travels skirted in fear, but Swami Haridas called them together. Don't be afraid, he said. Tigers are not always dangerous.
Dangerous.
Let us look for this one. Suddenly, one of these men saw a
Saw a small boy.
small boy hiding behind a tree. There are no tigers here, master, he said, only his naughty boy.
Okay, Divya. Enough. Divya, you have to do a lot of practice at home. आपका तो बेटा बिल्कुल वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन बिल्कुल नहीं है. आप एक ही तरीके से पढ़ते जा रहे हो, and many simple words also you are not able to read. So beta, if there you have time at home also, please take care and do at least half an hour reading every day. Okay. Okay. Next, who wants to read in girls?
Janvi.
Janvi. Okay, Janvi. Can start. Okay. After that, Cherry. Janvi, you can start from Tansin learned.
Tanchen learned music from Swami Haridas for 11 years. He stayed with a holy man called Muhammad Ghosh. He married Hussaini, one of the ladies in the court of Rani Margani. Swami Haridas did not punish him. He went to Tanchen's father and said, "Your son is very naughty. He is also talented. I think I can make him a good singer." Tansen was 10 years old when he went away with Swami Haridas. He lived with him for 11 years, learning music and became a great singer. At about the time his parents died, Mukaddam Miras's wish was that Tansen should visit Muhammad Ghosh of Gwalior. Muhammad Ghosh was a holy man. Mukaddam Mishra had long been devoted to him and often visited him. While living in Gwalior with Muhammad Ghosh, Tansen was often taken to the court of Rani Mrigani, who was
Mrignani. It's Mrignani.
Mrignani.
मृग होता है, हिरन को मृग कहते हैं ना. मृग नयनी मतलब जिसकी आंखें मृग की तरह.
Mrignani, who was a great musician herself. There he met and married out of the ladies of the court. Her name was Hussaini. Hussaini also became Swami Haridas' disciple.
Where are you? Where are you, Janvi? Tansen and Hussaini had 5 children who were all musical. Let's read from here. Tansen had.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear. You're not.
My voice is not clear. I see the volume. Okay, I'll do it 100%. I've done it. Okay, now you read, Janvi.
Tansen had, by this time, become very famous. Sometimes he sang before Emperor Akbar, who was so impressed by him that he insisted Tansen should join his court. Tansen became a favorite in Akbar's court.
Janvi, this is
Yes, ma'am.
insisted. Insisted.
Insisted Tansen should join his court. Tansen became a favorite in Akbar's court. Once he was asked to
Janvi, thank you. Cherry, you can continue from here. Cherry, are you there?
Ma'am, I will read. Pulkit.
Okay, Pulkit, you can start from here. Tansen became.
Yes, ma'am. Tansen became a favorite in Akbar's court. Once he was asked to sing Raga Deepika.
No, it is Rag Deepak.
Rag Deepak. Tansen asked his daughter and her friend to sing Rag Megh after Rag Deepak to contract
No,
the
no, counteract.
contract the effect of the
No, beta, it is Pulkit, counteract. Counteract. एक
counter
साथ बोलो, counteract.
counteract
Hmm.
the effect of the latter. Tansen went to Akbar's court in 1556 and soon became a great favorite of the emperor. Akbar would call upon Tansen to sing at any time during the day or night. Quite often he would just walk into Tansen's house to hear him practice. He also gave him many presenting some of the ca- characters become
Courtiers.
court,
Courtiers.
courtiers
Hmm.
become jealous of Tansen. We shall never be able to rest till Tansen ruined. They declared one of the
Ma'am?
courtiers.
Yes, Mahesh.
Ma'am, attendance.
Yes, beta. Thank you. 1 second, Pulkit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Pulkit, this word is ruined. Ruined.
And
We
what?
shall we shall never be able to rest till Tansen is ruined. Ruined होता है बर्बाद होना.
Ruined. Okay.
Start reading from here. We shall.
We sh- we shall never be able to rest till Tansen is ruined. They declared one of the
Courtiers.
courtiers, Sukhat Main, had
Shaukat
a
Mian.
Shaukat
Shaukat
Mia.
Mian.
Shaukat Mia had a bright idea. Let us make him sing Rag Deepak. He said, how will that help us? Asked another man. If Rag Deepak is popularly sung,
Properly.
properly sung, it makes the air so hot, but the singer is burnt to ashes. Tansen is very good singer. If he sings Rag Deepak, he will die and we will be rid of him.
Of. Okay, now listen to me, Pulkit, how you're supposed to read. I'm reading the same paragraph again. If Rag Deepak is properly sung, it makes the air so hot that the singer is burnt to ashes. Tansen is a very good singer. If he sings Rag Deepak, he will die and we will get and we will be rid of him. तो ये इन्वर्टेड कमाज में है, इसका मतलब उस इंसान ने जैसा उस कोटियर ने बोलना था वैसे का वैसा ही है. तो यू हैव टू ब्रिंग दैट, वो भाव लाना है बेटे, यू हैव टू ब्रिंग दैट एक्सप्रेशन.
Okay,
सिर्फ
ma'am.
एक मतलब सीधा सीधा नहीं बोलना है, आपको उस कैरेक्टर में रह के बोलना है, जैसे आप रोल प्ले भी करते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so next time all the children remember you will do the reading prior itself, and थोड़ी सी अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेके आया करो चैप्टर की, अपने अपने मन से पूछो कि इसका क्या मीनिंग हो सकता है, and then you should be ready with the questions to ask me.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay, now continue from Shaukat Mia. Shaukat Mia.
Shakat Mia went to the Akbar and said, "We don't think Tansen is a great singer. Let us test him. Tell him to sing Rag Deepak. Only the greatest singers can sing it properly. Of course, he can sing it. Tansen can sing anything." Akbar said. Tansen was afraid, but could not disobey the king. "Very well, my lord," he said, "but give me time to prepare myself." Tansen went home. He had never been more down, downcast and unhappy. "I can sing the rag," he told his wife, "but the it gives off will not only set the lamp alight, it will also burn me to
Ashes.
and what?
Okay, ashes होता है राख.
Ashes.
राख को इंग्लिश में ashes कहते हैं. Okay, thank you Pulkit.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay, now from here Cherry start reading. Cherry, then he had no idea from there. Is it visible there?
Ma'am, I don't find.
बेटा आपको स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही?
स्क्रीन तो दिख रही है, दिख रही है स्क्रीन, टाइम नहीं मिल रहा मैम.
Mahesh, you can read this. Then he had an idea.
Okay, ma'am. Then he had an idea. If someone sings Raga Megh at the same time and sings it properly, it will bring rain. Perhaps our daughter Saraswati and her friend Rupavati could do it, he said. He taught the two girls to sing Raga Megh. They
Rag,
practiced
the A
night.
is silent. Okay, the last A is silent. Rag
Rag
Megh.
Megh. Rag Megh. They practiced night and day for 2 weeks. Tansen told them, "You must wait till the lamps start burning, and then you start singing." Uh, both rags, both rags were sung according to plan. Akbar punished Tansen's enemies. Tansen died in 1585. The legend goes that on the appointed day, the whole town assembled to hear Tansen sing Rag Deepak. When he began to sing, the air became warm. Soon, people in the audience were bathed in precipitation.
Bathed.
The leaves.
Bathed.
Yes, ma'am.
It is soon the people in the audience were bathed, not bathed, bathed in precipitation.
Soon, people in the audience
Precipitation.
were bathed in the precipitation. In precipitation.
Sorry, it is perspiration.
Yes, ma'am.
Perspiration.
Perspiration. The leaves on the trees dried up and fell to the ground. As the music continued, birds fell dead because of the heat, and the water in the rivers began to boil. People cried out in terror as flames shot up out of nowhere and lighted the lamps. At once, Saraswati and Rupavati began to sing Rag Megh. The sky clouded over and the rain came down. Tansen was saved. The story goes that he was very ill after this, and Akbar was sorry that he had caused him so much suffering. He punished Tansen's enemies. When Tansen was when Tansen got well, the entire city rejoiced. The Tansen remained Akbar's court singer till 1585 when he died. He composed several new rags. Tansen's tomb is in Gwalior. It is it is a place of pilgrimage for musicians.
Okay, thank you. Now we will do this reading again and again. Okay. I want to
Ma'am, can I read now? Ma'am, can I read Tanmay?
wait. हाँ बेटा तन्मय, even I will give you a chance. Cherry and Tanmay. First, I want to tell you something about this person. Tansen is supposed to be the greatest singer of India. आपको मैं एक फैक्ट बताती हूँ, जो भी हमारे अच्छे अच्छे सिंगर्स होते हैं, जैसे आपने देखे सो मेनी शोज एंड ऑल, इन ये लोग इनकी मज़ार पे जाके मत्था टेकते हैं. ही इज सच ए ग्रेट पर्सनालिटी. मतलब उस टाइम इतना उनका नाम था कि इनसे ज़्यादा, मतलब ही इज लिटरली द किंग इन म्यूजिशियंस. सो पीपल, उनका अभी भी मकबरा या जो भी होता है, जो it is in Gwalior, and people go there and visit it, especially singers and all. And you have the festival also, Gwalior festival also, you have Tansen festival बनता है, जहाँ बड़े बड़े सिंगर्स आके गाते हैं, मतलब उनको श्रद्धांजलि दी जाती है. Okay, so anyone who happens to go to Gwalior can always go and visit when everything gets okay. है ना, जब पैंडेमिक खत्म हो जाएगा तो जा सकते हैं. Okay, first I want to give Cherry the chance, because I told her after that it is Tanmay. Okay, so Cherry, you can start.
Ma'am, after Tanmay, may I read?
Who is this May I? नाम बताओ.
Ma'am, Dhaval.
Dhaval. Okay, first Cherry, then Tanmay, then Dhaval. Okay, Cherry, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, start. From here, Tansen was the only child.
मैम आपकी स्क्रीन में दिख रहा है.
Yes, ma'am. Tansen was the only child of his parents. Naughty but talented, he imitated the calls of birds and animals perfectly. Once he tried to frighten a group of travelers by roaring like a tiger. You may have heard the name of Tansen, the greatest musician our country has produced. A singer called Mukundan Mishra and his wife lived in Behat near Gwalior. Tansen was their only child. It is said that he was a naughty child. Often he ran away to play in the forest and soon learned to imitate perfectly the calls of birds and animals. A famous singer named Swami Haridas was once traveling through the forest with his dis, disciples. Disciples. Tired, the
Excuse me,
group
ma'am.
settled down to rest in a
One
shady.
second, Cherry. One
मैम
second, Cherry. Yes.
मैम अर्चित लिखा है, उसका स्क्रीन विजिबल नहीं है.
बेटा फिर उनकी कंप्यूटर में प्रॉब्लम होगी ना, यहाँ से बाकियों को दिख रहा है और एक को नहीं दिख रहा, फिर तो मेरे में थोड़ा ना प्रॉब्लम है.
ओके मैम.
है ना, he can show that why it is not visible. बाकियों को पूरी क्लास को दिख रहा है स्क्रीन. Okay, yes, continue, Cherry.
Yes, ma'am. Tired, the group settled down to rest in a shady grove. Tansen saw them. Strangers in the forest, he said to himself. It will be fun to frighten them. He he hid behind a tree and roared like a tiger. The little group of travelers scattered in fear, but Swami Haridas called them together. Don't be afraid, he said. Tigers are not always dangerous. Let us look for this one. Suddenly, one of his men.
One second. Where are you, Cherry? Cherry, am I audible? Okay, Tanmay, you can continue.
Ma'am, from where?
We start from here. Strangers in the forest.
Ma'am, where?
Strangers in the forest.
Strangers.
Is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am, but I do not see strangers in forest.
This is the
Oh,
first
yes,
line,
ma'am.
no?
Yes, ma'am. Strangers in the forest. He said to himself, "It will be fun to fight, frighten them." He hid behind a tree and like a tiger. The little group of travelers scattered in fear, but Swami Haridas called them together. Don't be afraid. He said tigers are not always dangerous. Let us look for this one. Suddenly,
Tanmay, just check your mic. हिल तो नहीं रहा माइक?
no, ma'am.
आपकी आवाज आ रही है और जा रही है. ठीक है, आप पढ़ो.
Suddenly, one of his men saw a small boy hiding behind a tree. Hiding behind a tree. There are no tigers here, master, he said. Only this naughty boy.
Continue.
Tansen learned music from Swami Haridas of 11 years.
For 11 years.
For 11 years. He stayed with a holy man called Mo- Muhammad Muhammad.
Gauss. Gauss.
He married one of the ladies in the court of Rani
Mrignani.
Mrignani. Swami Haridas did not punish him. He went to Tansen's father and said, "Your son is very naughty. He is also very talented. I think I can make him a good singer." Tansen was 10 years old when he went away with Swami Haridas. Him for 11 years, learning music and become a great singer. At about this time, his parents died. Muknand,
Mukandan.
Mukandan
Mukandan.
Mishra's dying wish was that Tansen should visit Muhammad Ghaus of Gwalior. Muhammad Ghaus was a holy man. Mukandan Mishra had long been
Devoted.
him and often visited him while living in Gwalior. Muhammad Ghaus. Tansen was often taken to the court of Rani Mrignani, who was a great musician herself. There he met and married one of the ladies of the court. Her name was Her name was Hussaini. Hussaini also
Okay.
became Swami Haridas with five. Tansen and Hussaini had five children. They were all very musical. Tansen had by this time become very famous, sometimes for in prayers. Akbar, who was so impressed by that he
Insisted.
insisted Tansen should join his school.
Okay, thank you, Tanmay. Thank you. Okay. Dhaval, you can continue.
Can I read?
Dhaval?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Tansen became a favorite in Akbar's court. Once
Again.
he was once he was asked to sing Rag Deepak. Tansen asked his daughter and her friend to sing Rag Megh. After Rag Deepak to counter, counteract the effect of the letter, Tansen
Later.
Tansen
Counteract.
went
Counteract.
Yes, ma'am. Tansen went to Akbar's court in 1556 and soon became a great favorite of the emperor. Akbar would call upon Tansen to sing at any time during the day or night. Quite often, he would just walk into Tansen's house to practice. Hear him practice. He also gave him many presents. Some of the uh, courtiers
Courtiers.
Courtiers,
Courtiers.
courtiers became jealous of Tansen. We shall never be able to rest till Tansen.
Is ruined.
Ma'am, where is it?
I have strolled it, beta. It is
Yes,
on the
ma'am.
top.
Yes, ma'am. Tansen is ruined. They declared. They declared one of the courtiers,
Courtiers. Dhaval.
courtiers. Yes, ma'am.
Shaukat
Court,
Mia.
Shukat Mia had
Shaukat.
a Shaukat Mia had a bright idea. Let us make him sing Rag Deepak. He said, how will that help us? Asked another man. If Rag Deep
If Rag Deepak is properly sung,
that the singer he if he sings Rag Deepak, he will die and we will be rid of him. Shukat Mia went to Akbar and said, we don't think Tansen is a great singer. Let us test him. Tell him to sing Rag Deepak. Only the greatest singers can sing it properly. Of course, of course, he can sing it. Tansen Tansen can sing anything. Akbar said. Tansen was afraid but could not disobey the king. Very well, my lord, he said, but give me time to prepare myself. Tansen went home. He had never been more downcast and unhappy. I can sing the raga, he told his wife, but the heat it gives off will not only set the lamps alight, it will also burn me to ashes.
okay. Dhaval, thank you. I've come back to the meet.
Ma'am, can I read?
One second, beta. There are hardly 1 minute left for the class to finish. Okay. I want to give you some instructions. First of all, you people will, ma'am, her voice is not clear. It's there. Okay, okay, fine. Please don't do a lot of chatting while you people are, others are reading. Pay attention on it. क्योंकि हो सकता है वो word जो मैं दूसरे को समझा रही हूँ, वो आपको भी नहीं बोलना आता हो. And Dhruv, what are you doing? आप मस्ती मारने के लिए आते हो क्लास में? मैं फिर फोन करके पापा को कहूंगी कि मोबाइल मत दिया करें. Okay, listen to me carefully. Uh, okay. Next time now I will decide the sequence of children who are going to read. Okay. So next time I will decide the names. उसी sequence में बच्चे पढ़ेंगे. And one thing I want to tell you is do a lot of reading in the house. Fix कर लो कि at least आधा घंटा तुम reading करें. ताकि एटलीस्ट आपकी स्पोकन तो अच्छी हो जाए, बोलने का तरीका जिसको लहजा कहते हैं. Today also you saw hardly 4-5 children read this one, and except for Mahesh and Cherry, जानवी भी ठीक थी. मतलब इतने अच्छे से कोई बोल नहीं पा रहा है, अटक रहे हैं. अटकने का मतलब ही यही है कि आपकी फ्लुएंसी नहीं है. फ्लुएंसी का मतलब होता है आराम से जैसे मक्खन की तरह वो निकले. Okay, so this is your homework today. You're going to do the chapter again. We will not find out the questions. Do the reading, and next time, along with the reading, we will even see one nice video explanation of this chapter. Okay, now it's time. So, Sairam, and thank you. Bye bye. Take care.
Sairam ma'am.
Bye.
Sairam
Sairam ma'am.
Thank you.
Sairam ma'am.
Better, you can write Sairam over there. Okay. Bye. Bye bye.